So this is an amazing product that every home should have. It's an innovative AA battery charger that is so much more functional than traditional chargers. And this is the Ostation X, the world's first drop in and charge battery charger. And let me show you what it does and why I think this should be in every household.
Mr. Black.
And by the way, welcome to the channel where I love to share with you cool gear that comes my way. If you like that kind of stuff, make sure to not be a stranger and hit that subscribe button. Also, if you do like gadgets and gear, hit that thumbs up, that like button, and that lets YouTube know you'll get more of that kind of stuff in your feed. And I'll put links to everything down in the description. This comes in from the company Olight, and they have a lot of other really great products, and they sent this to me and they're sponsoring this video so I could share this with you, show you exactly what it does, and share my thoughts. And here it is, the world's first drop and charge battery charger. And this is the Ostation X. Simply toss in your rechargeable AA batteries into the top compartment, and the device handles detection, charging, and sorting. So in a world where you need AA batteries, like I use with that guitar over there, and my other guitars, and my remotes, and my controllers, and that adds up quickly. So I did get some rechargeable AA batteries. Then I'd get like a battery charger. You have to have them a certain way. They could be painfully slow to charge this all up. And a lot of times I need the batteries quicker than that, and I'm having to go out and buy some more anyway. And so this is the correct way to do it. And it's super innovative, backed by 16 patents. And also it was recently featured at CES. So it has this tower build to it where you drop in your batteries. It doesn't matter which direction. It kind of looks like the Planko game when you drop it in. It's a little bit fun. It takes up to 32 batteries and it will sort them out and charge 4 at a time and drop them neatly down at the bottom where they're fully charged. Easy to just pull down the tab so the battery comes right out. You can grab it, you can pop it in your device. You could take your empty ones and just pop them back in the top and just keep that cycle going. So you'll always have like a big set of batteries ready to go. You'll plug it in with this USB-C power connection, and there are 2 ports on the back so that you can actually use it to like daisy chain to another one, or when they do get their AAA battery chargers and things like that, you can daisy chain off that. It has a color-coded light on the front to let you know the status. They do have their own batteries, but you can use this with any other brand. They have fully tested out 15 of the most popular brands out there, just making sure everything's gonna work, and it does. It gives you a clear look at the top to see your batteries, and also a dust cover on the top. It is a plastic build, but it's not like cheap or flimsy. It's very strong. It's gonna stand up nicely. It's not gonna tip over easily either. And there is a quiet fan on the back for a quicker charge when you enable faster charging. When the batteries are in and they're charging up, it takes a standard of 3.8 hours to charge, or 2.5 hours with fast charging. So what I did is I filled this thing up, and just overnight I came in and they were all done. It would be fun to show you the shots of them falling down, but that's a little bit like watching paint dry, so I'll spare myself that one. With the Ostation X, it'll auto-detect the battery type and the polarity, just to ensure safe and optimal charging and charging protection and overcharging. If you have a dud battery, it'll just drop it into this tray right here, and a lot of times it might just need a cleaning. You can wipe it off on the top and the bottom, pop it back in there, and if it comes down again in that tray, you know that you can just discard it. And it does come with this bag to discard any bad batteries. And even cooler, it has Bluetooth, and you can connect it to their app. This way you can keep track of your charging progress, the battery health, and even get alerts for faulty batteries. You can also turn it on and off, select charging modes, see the number of charged cells. You can pause the charging schedule. You can also do firmware updates. And I suggest the first thing that you do is connect it to the app and do that firmware update. That'll just ensure it to work smoothly. So there you have it. It's such a great thing. For the price of this, I'd probably spend that same amount on just AA batteries in general. So I love the convenience of it. I just love that I can use my rechargeable batteries, any of the ones that I have, just have them tossed in there, know that they're ready to go. Again, check out the link in the description for the most current and up-to-date price. And it just makes sense to have something like this in this day and age. But that's it for today's video. I love these types of innovative and useful products. Like, this might not be super exciting, but this is very useful. I have a lot more cool gear to share with you on this channel, so make sure you stay tuned for that, like some really cool stuff coming up. If you want to see some other ones that I've done, I'll put them on the screen. You can click one of those, or click this one right here. YouTube thinks you will like this one the best. You have the smartest people in the world that know exactly what you want, so you can click that one, or any one of them. Just click one. I'll see you there.